My dear students, today I am going to explain you one question from heights and distance. The question is, a 1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So, first of all, we should see the figure. Here, AB is the building, it is the height of the building. This CD is the boy's height, that is 1.5 meters. And he is walking towards the building. So, from C point, he walks to E. So, here you find that CD, which is the boy's height, it is 1.5 meter, and he is walking towards the building. So he is coming at E. So now his height is EF, and these both are equal 1.5 because his height is same. Now one thing more you should keep in mind: from the building top, the angle of elevation made at the eyes of the boy is 30 degree, and as he will move towards the building, his angle of elevation will increase. Why so? Because he is moving towards the building in the perpendicular way, in the straight way. Normally he is moving, and so at A the building is standing at 90 degree. So this 30 is moving, then it becomes 60 degree, and like that when it will come here, then it will be 90 degree. So here angle of elevation is increasing, and from 30 to 60 it became after moving C to E. And we have to find here this DF. The boy has covered the distance. Okay, now see, let AB be the building, and let CD and EF be the two positions of the boy. So now we draw DZ parallel CA. Then we get CD equals to EF, that is equals to 1.5 meter, that is the boy's height. And so angle GDB or BDZ, anything you can write, because GDB and BDZ both are same, that is 30 degree. And angle BZF equals to 60 degree. BZF you write or FGB you write, that is also same, that is 60 degree. And AB equals to height of the building, that is 30 meters. And BZ equals to AB minus AZ, that is equals to height of the building minus height of the boy, and that is equals to 30 minus 1.5 equals to 28.5 meter. Now we are coming in triangle BDZ. Here BZD is 90 degree, that means it is a right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle only we can find trigonometrical ratios of different angles. So here tan 30 degree equals to BZ by DZ we are writing, because you know that what we have to find out and what is given, that's ratio only we will take. So here we have to find out DZ, and BZ is given. That means perpendicular is given and base we have to find out. And perpendicular and base ratio is tan, that is called tangent here. So tan 30 degree is equals to BZ by DZ, that is perpendicular by base. And tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 equals to 28.5 by DZ. This implies by crisscross multiplication, we get DZ equals to 28.5 into root 3. Okay, and this formula always you have to keep in mind, that tan theta equals to perpendicular by base, that is equals to P by B. Here theta is an angle, this theta, that means angle, can change. It can be alpha, it can be 10 degree, it can be 5 degree, anything it can be. Okay. So d is equals to, after removing the decimal, we get 285 by 10 into root 3. Here both are divisible by 5. And by dividing these two, we get here 57 root 3 by 2 meter. Now we come to triangle BZF. In triangle BZF, you find that angle BFG is 60 degree and angle BZF is 90 degree. It is also a right angle triangle. So here tan 60 degree equals to BG by FG, again perpendicular by base, and tan 60 degree is root 3 means root 3 by 1, that is equals to 28.5 by GF. And by crisscross multiplication, you get root 3 into GF equals to 28.5, and therefore GF is equals to 28.5 by root 3. Again, after removing the decimal, we get 285 by 10 root 3, and again both are divisible by 5, and after dividing we get 57 by 2 root 3. Here we have to find out the distance the boy has traveled towards the building. So the distance the boy walked towards the building is equals to df, and that is equals to dz minus fg. Dz value we have got 57 root 3 by 2, and fg value we have got 57 by 2 root 3, and then LCM of 2 and 2 root 3 will be 2 root 3, and this 2 root 3 divided by 2 we get root 3, and root 3 is multiplied by the numerator, that is 57 root 3. So 57 root 3 into root 3 we get 57 into 3 minus, and again this LCM 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3 we get 1 into 57 is 57. Now here you find 57 and 57 both present, so we are taking common, then here 3 minus 1 is left, so it is 57 into 2 by 2 root 3, 2 to cancel, then 57 by root 3. And now we are rationalizing the denominator. Denominator is root 3. So here numerator and denominator both are multiplied by root 3. Yes. And then root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So we get 57 root 3 by 3. Again 57 is divisible by 3. 19 3 is 57. So we get 19 root 3. And after putting the value of root 3, 1.732. So 19 into 1.732 we get 32.908, and this 32.908, that is equals to 33 meter approx. This is the answer the boy has traveled towards the building. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.